children. Good morning. How are you, children? You all are fine with your family? Yes. Now, children, everyone take out your English textbook, first class. Yes. So, children, already we learned 19th lesson sentences and questions is completed and completed notes also. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now, children, today we learn in, on, under, behind, near lesson. Open your textbook, children. See page number 69, 20 lesson. In, on, under, behind, near. Okay, children, let's get start. So, Leo the lion is the king of the jungle. Leo, lion name is Leo. So, lion is the king of the jungle. He is not everyone knows lion of the jungle, king. He is a roaring, run away and hide. He is roaring and run away, hide. Where can we hide? So, Leo, where can we hide, children? In a cave, under a bush, on top of a mountain, behind a tree. Okay, children? See, children, here. The word is on, under, near, behind, tell us where something or someone. In, on, under and behind. These words tells where something and someone where. Understood, children? Being and under, behind, near. These words tells to where someone and where something. Like example, the lion is under the cave. So under the cave. So lion is under the cave. So under lion where. Understood, children? So children, here some examples. See, children. The cat is on the table. So where is the cat, children? Cat is on the table. See, children, cat is on the table. So second one, the dog is under the table. Under the table. Okay, children? So, the toy is in the box. The toy is in the box. So, next, the table is near the window. The table is near the window. Okay, children? So the girl is behind the curtain. See, children. So the cat is on the table. So where is the cat, children? On the table. So on top of mountain. So here, children, see, the bear is on top of the mountain. So cat is on the table. So on, children, on the table. So here, children, the dog is under the table. So under the table. The toy is in the box. The toy is in the box. The table is near the window. The girl is behind the curtain. So here some pictures also, children, see. The lion is under in a cave. The lion is, the rabbit is under a bush. The giraffe is behind a tree. The rabbit is on a top of mountain. So in a cave, on a top, under a bush, behind a tree. So children, lion in a cave, rabbit under a bush, bear on top of mountain, zebra is behind a tree. So here lion, rabbit, bear behind. So zebra. So this is lion. Lion in a cave. So lion in a cave. Rabbit under a bush. Rabbit under a bush. So bear on a top of mountain. Zebra behind a tree. So this one also children see. The cat is on the top, on the table. So cat is on the table. The dog is under. So dog is under the table. The toy is in the box. The table is near the window. So here window. So near the table. The table is near the window. The girl is behind the curtain. So this is curtain. So behind the girl. Understood children? The cat is on the table. The dog is under the table. The toy is in the box. The table is near the window. The girl is behind the curtain. So same way children here. Lion in a cave. Rabbit under the bush. Bear on top of mountain. Zebra behind a tree. Understood children? Yes. So next, page number 70. So next, page number 70 children. See your textbook. Yes. So next, choose the correct words. A bit. Choose the correct words. So, the boy is sitting in on a bench. The boy is sitting in on. So, first one, in on. So, the boy is sitting in on a bench. So what is the correct children? See the picture. The boy is sitting in on a bench. So boy is sitting on the bench. This is a correct. So second one. The woman is on under a horse. So answer is on and another answer is under. So what is the correct answer children here? The woman is on a horse, a woman is under a horse. So what is the correct answer? On. The woman is on a horse. So third one, the house is near a river, on a river. So here, first one is near and another one is on. So where is the river children? Near a river, on a river, house. The house is near a river. So answer is near. So fourth one, the girl are hiding or behind the tree. On the tree, behind the tree. Answer on the tree or behind the tree. What is the correct answer children? See the picture. Yes. So the children are hiding behind the tree. So 1, 2, 3. The boy is sitting on the woman is river sleeping. Okay, sleeping the river. So children here, see children, fourth one. 1, 2, children, wait. So see children here, what is the fourth one children? The man is sleeping on under a tree. Fourth one, on a tree or under a tree. This is fourth one children. The man is sleeping on a tree under a tree. See children picture. The man is sleeping under a tree. So this is fourth one and this is fifth one children. The children are hiding on tree behind the tree. So answer is behind the tree. So last one, sixth one. The woman is in the car, on the car. So answer is in, on. What is the right answer children? The woman is in the car. The woman is on the car. So what is the right answer? The woman is in the car. So first one children, the boy is sitting on the bench. So answer is on. Second one, the woman is on a horse. So answer is on. So third one is the house is near on a river. So answer is near. So next is fourth one, the man is sleeping on a tree under a tree. So answer is under. So fifth one, the children are hiding on behind a tree. So answer is behind. Sixth one, the woman is in the car. So answer is in. So right, correct words children in here. Choose the correct words. Tick in your textbook children. Finish children. Choose the correct words. In first one on, second one on, third one near, fourth one on, fifth one behind, sixth one in. So tick the correct words in your textbook children. Okay. So finish children. So next bit children, what is the next bit? B-bit. See your textbook. Yes. So B-bit. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks using behind, on, under and near. Okay children, ready? Yes. So first one children, the children are sitting dash on dash a swing. The children are sitting dash a swing. What is the answer children? Behind the sitting, behind a swing, on a swing, under a swing, so near a swing. So what is the answer children? Answer is on a swing. So write neatly children. So O-N, on. The children are sitting on a swing. So second one, the children are sitting dash a tree. Children, see children, pictures. Observe pictures children. So give here some pictures. Okay. So second one, what is the picture? The children are sitting dash a tree, behind a tree, on a tree, under a tree, near a tree. What is the answer, children? Yes, answer is under a tree. The children are sitting under a tree. So what is the third one? Yes. The tree house dash a river. The tree house is dash a river, on a river, under a river, near a river. So what is the answer, children? The dash is near a river, N-E-A-R. So write neatly, children. The tree house is near a river. So fourth one. The children are hiding dash a tree. The children are hiding behind a tree, on a tree, under a tree, near a tree. What is the answer, children? See picture, observe. The children are hiding dash a tree. So near a tree, under a tree, on a tree, in a tree. What children answer? Yes, the children are hiding behind a tree. So write neatly, children, in your textbook. So first one, the children are sitting on a swing. So answer is O-N, on. The children are sitting on a swing. So second one, the children are sitting under a tree, U-N-D-E-R, under a tree. So third one, the tree house near a river, N-E-A-R, near. The children are hiding behind a tree, B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. So write neatly, children. Everyone should write neatly. Write neatly, children. On, under, near, behind. 20 lesson in on, under, behind, near. On, under, near, behind. So finish, children. See, children, here one vowel out. Do not get confused between in and on. So children, do not get confused, children, in on. So what is the in on? Book is in the table. So this is wrong, children. The book is on the table. So book is what? Where, children? On the table. I am sitting on the car. I am sitting on the car. This is wrong. What is the right? I am sitting in the car. Understood, children? I am sitting in the car. Understood? In, on. The book is on the table. I am sitting in the car. This is the correct form, in, on. Understood, children? So children, your 20 lesson is done. So today lesson is sentences and questions. So correct sentence. Last we put a what, children? Full stop. Okay. Some sentence are asked question. So we will do what, children? Last questions will do put a question mark. So children, one more. A sentence always begins with write what children? Capital letter. Okay children. The sentence ends with a. We will write what? We will put a full stop or question marks. The sentence asks something. They are called questions. The question always end with a question mark. Understood children? See children, this is a full stop, this is a question mark, and this is a comma. Understood children? Full stop, question mark, comma. Understood? Yes. So children, complete your notes in your classwork book. How many bits are there? Yes. A, B, only 2 bits children, and write homework. Read these sentences. This one your homework children. Read these sentences. The cat is on the table. The dog is under the table. The table is near the window. The toy is in the box. The girl is behind the curtain. Page number 69. Read these sentences. This is your homework. Write 2 times in your classwork book children. Understood? 2 times and learn. Okay? Now repeat children, everyone once repeat after me. The cat is on the table. The cat is on the table. The dog is under the table. See children, picture. The cat is on the table. The cat is on the table. The dog is under the table. The toy is in the box. The toy is in the box. The table is near the window. The table is near the window. The girl is behind the curtain. The girl is behind the curtain. So children, this is your homework. Write 2 times in your classwork book and learn children. Understood? So children, your homework is finished. You take the photo and send me school email ID. Understood children? So we'll meet you next class. Okay children, bye.